Okay, so now the kids have done their research and they're in their Google Drive and they can title their presentations, etc. And again, don't forget that they have access to all the notes that they've ever created in Google Keep, and they can organize them by labels. They can add collaborators. They can have a reminder. They can change the color. They can put images in, and they can archive. So there you can add drawings, making copies, etc. So that's how they do that. Now, what you want to have them do is to sign out. If you click here, there's no place for you to sign out. So that's why I want them to learn how to sign in here. They just come up to the three dots, go to Settings, and once they are in Settings, all they do is they click Sign Out, and then right here it says Clear and Sign Out. And when they do that, their Google Chrome will be signed out, but so will everything else in their accounts. Their docs will be out, and everything else will be logged out as well. So that's how you sign out of Google Chrome.